Welcome back to the Brentwood Bicyclist. Today we are on the new multi-use path off the extension of the Mack Hatcher Bypass. So what's the deal with this new multi-use path? First, the positives. From the 30,000 foot view, there are a lot of things to like. The path simply being integrated into the design and included in the budget for the Mack Hatcher extension is a very good thing. There was clearly effort put into the idea of adding this path. However, upon closer inspection, the cracks really begin to show. The first negative is the construction material used, concrete. Concrete is a great material. It's more expensive and more durable than asphalt. However, concrete has some major drawbacks as a material for a multi-use path. Firstly, it's much harder than asphalt. That means when you're running or walking on the surface, it's harder on joints, especially knees and ankles. The use of concrete also necessitates the use of control joints to control cracking. This creates an uneven rolling surface, which only gets worse over time. The result is a more jarring ride for cyclists. The control joints are pretty close together. It's almost like three normal sidewalks poured next to each other. This is unique to the new path along Mack Hatcher. The existing path is also concrete with control joints, but the joints are further apart. So it has its own issues, but it's not nearly as bad as the new path. The closely spaced control joints on the new path created a rhythmic thumping pattern on a bike. And this goes on for some time. The next state-level project in the area coming online will be the new multi-use path along Franklin Road in Brentwood. Now that the issues for the multi-use path along Mack Hatcher have been identified, there's no reason to make the same mistakes on the path along Franklin Road, or anywhere else for that matter, since we have such a great statewide bicycle and pedestrian advocacy group called Bike Walk Tennessee. There are also regional subcommittees of Bike Walk Tennessee in communities throughout the state, such as Bike Walk Brentwood and Bike Walk Franklin. Bike Walk Tennessee is a statewide advocacy organization that focuses on improving the vibrancy, safety, and sustainability of communities across Tennessee by supporting biking and walking. So no matter if a project is a state level or local project, there is a group to help advise on these active transportation projects. So let's do this thing right going forward by inviting intended user groups to a seat at the table. Government groups need to start inviting Bike Walk Tennessee or the regional subgroups, Bike Walk Brentwood in this case, to the table for discussions about future active transportation infrastructure projects. We should be implementing these projects in a way that encourages their use. Let's do this better together, Tennessee. If you like the content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And since this content is time-consuming to make, please consider becoming a Patreon. See the links below for details.